Hey everyone, today we're going to be talking about the Elite Acoustics StompMix X4-2 Pro. This is a battery powered mixer pedal unit. If you saw my demonstration of the StompMix 4 and the D48 amplifier, this unit will seem fairly similar. There's a few other things I want to go through today. Before we get into it, let's have a look around the unit. On the back of the unit there are two inputs. Instrument is designed for pickups that are passive and line is designed for pickups that have preamps. I'm running two pickups on this instrument. One's a K&K Trinity and the other is an undersaddle shadow pickup. Both of those are active, they both have preamps, so I'm running through the line input on the back. So when we turn the unit on, clicking on System will bring us to the input meters. This is the best place to go to see that we've got a healthy level coming in. This can be adjusted with the dials at the back. From here, let's go to Page, Main Mix first, Auxiliary Mix, Delay Mix, and Reverb. We'll start on Page. Next, clicking on Parameter, we'll go into more detail within each of the pages. So in other StompMix videos and the D48 amp, I've just been focusing on how to dial in different scenes. So I'm just going to do that very quickly now just as a recap. Channel 1 is the undersaddle, channel 2 is the K&K. So I want to add some reverb to the K&K. And if we wanted to add some reverb to the undersaddle as well, let's just see the difference. Going into more detail by clicking Parameter, let's turn the tone, decay, and pre-delay up. Okay, let's also add some delay. Let's adjust that. Turn the delay down a bit. So if we want to save this, we'll go on to System. We're going to save scene 1 with no effects on it, just for comparison. So let's go to 2 and hold. So there's two settings saved now. So going into System again, I have the assigned set to A and B will go up and down through the scenes. So back to 1. 2. So that's essentially what I've covered in previous videos, saving scenes for multi-pickup instruments. But I want to go into something different today. So going into System again, if we change the assigns here using this encoder, we can turn on or off channel 1 and 2. So channel 1 is just the undersaddle. Channel 2 is just the K&K. So if I put some distortion on channel 1, This gives you more control over which pickup you want to have active at any given time. Going back here into the assigns, A is assigned to all 4 inputs, and B is whether the effects are on here. Lastly, we have a setting here to determine whether reverb and delay are turned on. So A will be doing reverb and B will be doing the delay. So let's just keep the delay on. Clicking A will bring reverb back in. Turning off delay, just reverb. The B pedal also works as a tap tempo. So let's hold that to bring delay back in. So just to recap a few other things that I have gone through in previous videos is just to show what kind of detail you can go into with individual channels. So page brings us back to the main mix. We can adjust the volume here of channel 1 and channel 2 accordingly. So if I've got distortion on channel 1, I can bring that way down to a more manageable level. By clicking on each encoder, I can change the EQ. We also have a sweepable mid frequency. Same applies to all the channels, of course. So if I wanted to save these different settings, I can go back into System and either decide to store these new settings over assigns 1 and 2 that I've saved, or I can go up again and save onto a third. And of course, if we're running the assigns on the very first setting, we can scroll up and down through these settings. Let's just compare all the different settings that we've saved so far.